welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a theme ideas part 3 because a lot of people wanted a theme idea part 3, and I'm also going to be doing a coloring tutorial with the theme, so it goes well together. And before I get started, I just want to say that I have changed my user on my Charlie account. It was Charles Urbans, but now here is my new username. And this is the theme and coloring I will be doing a tutorial on. So the first thing is the coloring. So what you want to do for the first step is, here's the coloring. If you just want to pause and you can do it by yourself, I guess. So what you're going to do is you're going to go onto the app Prequel. And in this video, I'll give you guys the color codes I use and the QR codes I use. So you're going to want to import your video. This one. Let's do this one. And then you're going to put exposure to 26. You're going to put contrast to 8. Hold up. You're going to put highlights to 32. And you're going to put shadows to 80. Now you're going to put the blur to however much you want. I usually like 25. Actually, you're not going to do any blur. But you can do blur if you want. So now you're going to go onto filters, and you're going to use the filter Stockholm on 75. So you're just going to scroll. Okay, now you're done with that. So you're going to want to save this video to your camera roll. And the next thing we're going to do is we are going to go onto the app color tone. So you're going to go into that color tone. And I'll show you guys the fonts I use as I'm making the theme. So I'll put all the fonts and apps I've used on the side, so it's easier to identify what I'm using and people don't get confused. But now what you're going to do is you're going to go onto the filter Avalon, and you're going to click on it again. Then scroll down to 60. Yep, 60. Now we're going to add the text. Okay, so now that we've done that, now we're going to go into the app font, and you're going to import your text, your video. And now what you're going to do is you're going to, hold up. So for the title, the font you're going to do is called Chasing Embers. So, okay, now you're going to write whatever your title is. So say it is let's do have. Okay, and then you can put this wherever you want to put it. I like to put it in the middle, kind of. And then you're gonna use the filter font Loverine. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. But you are going to write the subtitle, I guess you could say. So I have actives. That's my title. And I like to add a shadow behind my text because it just makes it a lot easier to see. Then you're going to add a line. So to add a line, you go into the font Garlic Salt and you press the number 7. And now, hold up, where'd it go? I can't see it. Okay, so you make it bigger or smaller, depending on what you like. Then you use the font. I keep on saying filter. Font, Garlic Salt again, and you press this, and you find the symbol, and then you can put it wherever you want to put it. So I'm going to put mine right there. Now the color I'm going to use, I'll put the color code on the screen, so you can just go ahead and import it. I'm going to move it up a bit so it looks better. There we go. Now what you can do is now you can write whatever the question or I guess is. So my question is, you can't read the question, I'm sorry. And the font for this is Cute Written. Now you can make that white. Or you can actually make it any color you want. I'm just going to do white. because I feel like it like stands out better. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to put the line down here again under the question. And then you're going to put this little symbol again over here. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a track. So you're going to write the word track and you're going to use the font corner of the sky. So track, and then we can make it small or big depending on whatever you like. And then to make the track, I guess you use the font garlic salt, and you can use the little circles they provide you. 5. Okay, now what I like to do is I like to make the spacing, like I like to space them out even more, so it takes up more space. And you can make that bigger or smaller, again, depending to your liking. And then you're going to use the number 8, and you are going to adjust the spacing to make it one long line. Okay, now we can tilt it. And let's put it in the middle. There we go. Now on the other side, what you're going to do is you're going to use the font garlic salt once again, and you're going to use the color code I provided in the beginning. And you are going to make the square or rectangle that color. Then you're going to go onto the font Pretty You, and you're going to add, sorry, it's not Pretty You. I got confused with the fonts. You're going to go onto the font, hold up, it's called KG Flavor and Frames 3 with no spaces. And you're going to make that white. Then you're going to put the box and the little squiggly lines, I guess you can call them, like this. Now you're going to download the font. Hold up, it's down here, I think. It's called Hipster Icons. And you're going to put the camera over here. So you can honestly, you don't have to do the symbols I'm doing. You could do any symbol you want. It's just I really like these symbols, so I chose to do them. Now you can place another line at the bottom. And then last but not least, you can add your username. There we go, and the font for this is, again, Loverine. I have no clue how to pronounce this. Okay, so that part is all done, and you're done with the theme part. Now, to do the coloring, there is one last step, and for this step, you're going to want to go into the app 24 FPS. So, let's go. Import the video. And you are going to use the QR code I've provided on the screen, and you're going to put that over the text to add your coloring. Okay, and now that you've done that, now you can delete the other videos if you want. And to do the intro, I go into the app Prequel or Prequel, and you can just import it. Intro, and then iris blur, and there you go. Now you have your theme and your coloring, and if you use this, please give credits to me because I made this theme. And yeah, that's it. And let me know if someone else has already done this theme or something like that, because if they have, then I wanna know. But that's it for this video, and I hope you guys learned how to do a theme. Or like the coloring. I really like the coloring more than the theme, but that's fine. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!